Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm installing the Garmin Zumo XT, Garmin Zumo XT GPS onto my R1250GS. And what I thought I'd do is I'll show you what I've been using in the interim. It's this cool little phone holder chassis that I got from China, and it holds my phone in through this spring-loaded tray. And I got it at a really reasonable price, and so what I thought I'd do is I'll show it to you and how it's mounted in the back just by the 4 screws onto the bar of the GS. And it, if you have the existing GPS mount for your GS, this chassis can mount directly onto the existing BMW GS mount. So I just thought I'd take some time and show you guys that before I uninstall it and install my Zumo XT. Alright, that's it for now. Bye.